Genius tiny apartment decorating ideas to instantly maximize space and make a small home feel spacious. Welcome to Deco Mila channel. Living in a tiny apartment doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, beauty, or personality. In fact, small spaces often push us to be more creative and intentional. With the right decorating ideas, even the most compact home can feel open, airy, and surprisingly spacious. In this video, we'll explore genius, practical, and stylish decorating strategies that instantly maximize space while making your small apartment feel bigger, brighter, and more livable, without expensive renovations. The first step to making a small apartment feel spacious is changing how you think about space itself. It's not about how many square feet you have, but how efficiently and visually you use them. Every wall, corner, and piece of furniture should earn its place. When design decisions are intentional, a small apartment stops feeling cramped and starts feeling thoughtfully designed and balanced. Natural and artificial light can dramatically transform a tiny apartment. Sheer curtains, uncovered windows, and light-reflecting surfaces help bounce light throughout the room. Instead of one harsh overhead fixture, layer lighting with floor lamps, wall sconces, and table lamps. When light fills a space evenly, shadows disappear, and suddenly the room feels wider, taller, and far more inviting. In a small apartment, furniture should never have just one job. Think storage ottomans, beds with drawers, nesting tables, or a sofa that converts into a guest bed. Multifunctional furniture reduces clutter and eliminates the need for extra pieces. The fewer items fighting for floor space, the more open and breathable your apartment will feel. Oversized furniture can instantly overwhelm a small apartment. Instead, choose pieces that are proportional to your space. Slim sofas, armless chairs, and low-profile furniture help maintain visual flow. Furniture with legs is especially effective because visible floor space tricks the eye into perceiving a larger room. The goal is comfort without visual heaviness. When floor space is limited, go up. Vertical storage and decor draw the eye upward, making ceilings feel higher. Tall bookshelves, wall-mounted cabinets, floating shelves, and hanging plants maximize storage without crowding the room. Using vertical space wisely keeps your apartment functional while preserving precious square footage. Mirrors are one of the most powerful tools in small apartment design. Strategically placed mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of depth. A large mirror opposite a window can double the sense of openness. Mirrored furniture or decor also adds elegance while subtly expanding the visual boundaries of the room. No decorating trick can compete with clutter-free living. Too many items shrink a space visually and mentally. Edit your belongings regularly and keep only what you truly use or love. Smart storage solutions like baskets, drawer organizers, and hidden compartments keep essentials accessible while maintaining a clean, spacious look. Light, neutral color palettes are a classic trick for making small spaces feel larger. Whites, creams, soft grays, and warm beiges reflect light and reduce visual boundaries. That doesn't mean you have to avoid color. Just use it strategically through accents, artwork, or textiles to add personality without overwhelming the space. Even in a studio apartment, defining zones helps a space feel organized and intentional. Area rugs, lighting changes, or furniture placement can visually separate living, dining, and sleeping areas. When each zone has a purpose, the apartment feels structured rather than cluttered, making it feel larger and more livable. Clear sight lines create a sense of openness. Avoid blocking pathways or overcrowding rooms with furniture. Wall-mounted desks, floating nightstands, and fold-down tables free up floor space. The more uninterrupted floor area you can see, the more spacious your apartment will feel. Hang curtains higher than the window frame and let them fall to the floor. This simple trick visually elongates walls and raises the perceived ceiling height. Choose light fabrics to maintain airflow and brightness. Curtains should frame the room, not dominate it. The best storage solutions don't scream storage. Built-ins, underbed drawers, benches with hidden compartments, and closed cabinetry keep items out of sight. When storage blends seamlessly into your decor, the apartment feels calm, cohesive, and far less crowded. A small apartment should still reflect who you are. Choose a few meaningful decor pieces rather than many small ones. One bold artwork, a statement rug, or a sculptural lamp can add character without clutter. Curated design always feels more spacious than excess decoration. tiny apartment can feel spacious, stylish, and comfortable when designed with intention. By maximizing light, choosing multifunctional furniture, using vertical space, and eliminating clutter, you can completely transform how your home feels. Small spaces aren't limitations. They're opportunities to design smarter, live better, and create a home that truly works for you.